Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign in St. George's internet banking account on PC. St. George's is one of the Australia's leading retail and business banking brands. To sign in St. George's internet banking account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.stgeorge.com.au. AU stands for Web Code of Australia. Then press on enter. With that, you will be taken to official website of St. George's. Now click on log on option at top right section, then click on internet banking at first. Now here you will be taken to the login page. To log in, you need to first enter your card number or your customer access number on the given box. If you don't remember your card number or your customer access number, then you can click on forgotten option. Now here you can click on issue number box and select the issue number. After that, enter your security number on the given box. If you forgot your security number, you can click on the option of forgotten. With that, if you want your information to be remembered, then click on Remember Me box. This will help you save time for logging in. After that, enter your internet password on the given box. If you forgot your internet password, then you can click on Forgotten option at the side. If you don't have your account, then you can click on Register Now so that you can create your own account. After entering all your credentials, click on Log On. With that, you'll be able to sign in to your St. George's internet banking account. This is how we can sign in St. George's internet banking account on PC. This is it for tutorial, everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.